Hi, it is the Human Operating System time. This channel is for educations and technology only. So in the past few videos, I have shared the characteristics of different dynamic body mechanics handling from different Southern traditional Chinese martial art style, namely the white crane from Fujian, the Ngo Zhao Gun, and the Zhao Ga praying mantis. So I got questions from our Wing Chun friends asking me on which lineage of Wing Chun have those type of mechanics. Well, I like to share with everybody that this channel is only for educations and technical technology and Chinese culture. I will not get into those whose lineage have what, okay? Because those are different story. So I say it here so that everybody know that I am not here to promoting which lineage or whatever. I am here to share on what technology exists here and what is the key point of the technology of the bottom line. So today I like to share with you an example of how the Long Ying or dragon style develop the integrations of their core, the body core, the leg and the arm. And this is the dynamic body mechanics handling. So in the Long Ying, there is a set is called Sam Tong Go Q. Okay, and this is to integrate the core, the leg, and then the arm, or this is to develop the holistic or body mechanics in dynamic way so that it be able to handle impulse momentum. So let's take a look at this. And if you know Cantonese, there's a explanation here. So it explained that it is not just hand techniques, but the core, the legs or the footwork and the arm has to all integrate together. So we know that this is the development of the body mechanics, the dynamic, so that it be able to handle impulse momentum. Okay, so from here we know that, as I have mentioned in the previous video, the bottom line is the dynamic body mechanics, which be able to handle the momentum. And you can look into the Southern traditional Chinese martial art like white crane from Fujian, Ngo Zhao, Zhao Ga, praying mantis, and now the Long Ying. They all have those technical of handling the body mechanics and impulse momentum. That is the bottom line. And they all have their characteristics. Okay? So it is about dynamic body mechanics handling. That is the basic of martial art. That is where the Kung Fu developed. You develop Kung Fu by developing your dynamic body mechanics. And you develop this body mechanics, then you'll be able to handle the impulse momentum handling. So impulse is like striking. There's impulse generations. Momentum is like you're moving, you're pushing, you're pressing, you are actually playing with your opponent's weights and momentum. Okay, that is the momentum. Striking, you'll get into anaerobic. Okay, and for this moving and this, it is usually in under the aerobics. So this is the core of Southern traditional Chinese martial arts. Okay, it never is static structure. You stand there, you're moving your arm only. As if you can understand Cantonese, in just now it explained here, the Sifu explained here that it is not just hand, it is your entire body. Okay, so again, it is not static structure or mind power. You won't get this. And when we talk about this, static power or mind power, those kind of stuff, we know that that is not consists of the handling of the body mechanics or the momentum handles. Okay, so again, I like to address that the grandmaster in the Southern traditional Chinese martial arts, they know this. This is the bottom line. Okay, we must not assume other people not saying just because they are humble and they give us face. Because you look at their body, the Long Ying body, the Ngo Zhou body, they are different type of body. They are different type of dynamic body mechanics handling. You see the characteristic, the uniqueness there. Okay, so that is how one differentiate different martial art style. Without knowing this, we don't know how to differentiate martial art style. And history doesn't help. This is the technical, this is the bottom line of it. So in Wing Chun 1850, in Wing Chun 1850s, we know that's our body mechanics of a Wing Chun 1850s. This is the balls handling. This is the momentum handles. Okay, how you handle it. And this is the synchronizations. So all those books is written as the basic so that we can answer these questions. We know what is the characteristics of the 1850s Wing Chun is about. Okay, so this is what I'd like to share with you today. Traditional Chinese martial art from the Southern is based on dynamic body mechanics handling, impulse momentum. And those who have the training and development, they all can see things really clearly in details. So we need to really careful that we also know this stuff. Okay, so people are humble, they give us face, but we need to know where we stand.